How to fix devices and printers pages blank on Windows 11. To fix devices and printers pages blank on Windows 11, try 1. Run malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Google how to re-register DLL files as admin. bbscript.dll, jscript.dll, mshtml.dll. 3. Run sfc. And DISM scans as admin. 4. Run hardware and devices troubleshooter, command, msdt.exe id device diagnostic. 5. Perform system restore. 6. Perform reset this PC, cloud reset, or in-place upgrade repair Windows.